So today is Thursday, 7th grade ELT day 12. So the first thing you're going to do is get some practice operations with rational numbers. After you do that, guys, you're still going to get some division practice, but just be careful. If it's 2 divided by 5, it's 2 divided by 5 like this. The 2 is my total that I'm dividing up into fifths. So I would add a decimal and a 0, bring the decimal straight up. 5 goes into 20 4 times. Subtract and get 20. Equals 4/10. After you get that done, you are going to work on finding the volume of square pyramids. So your formula for volume of a pyramid is volume equals 1/3 capital B times H. So I'm going to multiply 1/3 times the area of my base times my height. So if I have a square pyramid or a rectangular pyramid, as some of these are, to find the area of the base, I'm just going to multiply base times height. Okay, so I'm going to start by writing my formula. Volume equals 1/3 capital B H. So here's my base. It's a square. To find the area of the base, I would just do my base equals a square. So my area is going to be base times height, which is 3 times 3, which is 9. So volume equals 1/3. Oh, my capital B was 9 times my height is 5. So I'm just going to multiply 9 times 5, which is 45. And I could put it over 1, and I get 45 over 3. 45 divided by 3 is 15. 15 meters cubed. Volume is measured in cubed units. So you would do the same thing for the other ones. So looking at number 18, it's a rectangular pyramid. Volume equals 1/3 area of the base times the height. So my height is going to be from the tip of the pyramid all the way down. The area of my base, or capital B, would be this. To find it, I need to do, okay, my area of the base, well, I have a rectangle. So I'm going to do area equals base times height. Area equals 9 times 4, which equals 36. So I have my base, my capital B. I have my height. I'm ready to substitute in. Volume equals 1/3 times 36 times 6. So if I multiply something times 1/3, I'm just dividing it by 3. So I'm going to do 6 times 1/3, and I get 2. So volume equals 2 times 36. And then 36 times 2 would be 72 centimeters cubed. So these are all square or rectangular pyramids, except when you get to 24 and 23. 23 is a triangular prism. So volume equals capital B times H. So when I have a triangular prism, my base is a triangle. My height would be the distance of the prism. So to find my capital B, while my base is a triangle, this stands for area of the base. So it would be area equals 1/2 base times height. Because this is a triangle. To find the area of a triangle, we have to do 1/2 base times height. So area equals 1/2 times 3 times 4. Area equals 3 times 4 is 12. 12 times 1/2 is 6. So volume equals 6 times, the height of my whole prism was 6. Volume equals 36 inches cubed. And then for number 24, it's a triangular pyramid. So my volume is going to equal 1/3 base times height, volume equals 1/3. Oh, my base is a triangle again. So this is the height of my triangle, this is the base. So to find capital B, I'm going to need to find the area of a triangle, which would be 1/2 base times height, 1/2. And sorry, it wouldn't be, 10 wouldn't be the base, it has to be straight across, it would be 8 times 8 times 6. Half of 8 is 4, 4 times 6 is 24, so capital B would be 24 times your height is 11. 1/3 of 24 would be 8, so volume equals 8 times 11, volume equals 88 miles cubed.